Apa Sherpa is the only man in history to summit Mount Everest 21 times. And for the first time with new camera technology, we see this Guinness World Record holder in action. Fox 13's Annie Cutler joins us in studio tonight. Annie.
Hi, Bob. This film project has been 7 years in the making, and now it's making a presence at the Sundance Film Festival. The Apa Sherpa documentary is in the post-production stage, but we got a sneak peek into Sherpa's life through some extraordinary 360 footage from the top of Mount Everest. Chances are you've never been to the top of Mount Everest, but now, for the first time, you have a 360-degree view from the top thanks to this footage from Everest Media Productions and 360Heros.
We're shooting 360, but now we're doing 3D 360.
It was a device like this that captured this footage of Apa Sherpa and his team at the top of Everest last June.
So you got your left and right eye in each one of your configurations. Now this particular rig has just got one camera up and one camera down, so that way it completes the sphere, so you can see everything in full 360.
Apa Sherpa has broken his own record of summiting Everest 12 times, reaching the top of the world 21 times. The co-producer of the documentary, Jerry Micah, says the film is about much more than that.
It's dedication, it's overcoming adversity, it's struggle, life, family. It isn't about man's goal to be the world record holder. That wasn't his goal.
Sherpa admittedly doesn't have a good education, which is why he brought his family to Draper so his kids could get a better education. Despite living so far from his hometown, Sherpa goes to Nepal every year to raise awareness about the humanitarian and environmental needs of the region. When talking about the film, Sherpa says,
I'm excited to telling my story all over the world.
Yeah.
And once this film is completed, it's expected to be released in theaters in 2D, 3D, and 360. Live in studio, Annie Cutler, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Wow, what a story. Now, Annie, you just mentioned that he goes back to Nepal every year. Does he climb every time he goes?
No, Sherpa tells us that he retired in 2011, but he's back in Nepal often, obviously once a year, doing work for his Apa Sherpa Foundation. And we do have more information and a link on our website, fox13now.com, if you want more info.
All right, very good. Annie, thanks so much.